Okay, chapter name Structure of Atom. Today we are going to explain the question and answer. All of you open material page number 335. First question. What information does the electronic configuration of an atom provide? Electronic configuration. The systematic arrangement of electrons in shells, subshells, atomic orbital is known as electronic configuration. It provides the electrons are in the space of the atom. The position of electrons in the space of the atom. Electrons are in various atomic orbitals, shells, subshells, etc. It gives the information position of the electrons in the space of the atom. Already in first lesson, introducing the lesson, the first raised the question that one. How electrons are distributed in the space of the atom? This method is NLX method. NLX means N means principal quantum number, L means angular momentum quantum number, where X is number of electrons. The first question over. Next one, 5 bits. A. How many maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in a principal energy shell? The maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in any principal energy or shell. Formula 2n squared. This is the answer. Where n is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Suppose first K shell 2 electrons. L shell can be accommodated 8 electrons. M shell can accommodated 18 electrons. N shell can be accommodated 32 electrons by using formula. The maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in any shell. Formula 2n squared. Next. Second one B. How many maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a subshell? Shell formula 2n squared. The maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in any subshell. Formula 4l plus 2. 2 into 2l plus 1 or 4l plus 2. Where L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Where L equal to 0 S subshell, where L equal to 1 P subshell, L equal to 2 D subshell, L equal to 3 F subshell. L equal to 0, you apply the formula 4 into 0 plus 2, 2 electrons. L equal to 1 P subshell, 4 into 1, 4 plus 2, 6 electrons. L equal to 2 D subshell, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10 electrons. L equal to 3 F subshell, 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14 electrons. Finally, the maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in any subshell formula 2 into 2l plus 1 or 4l plus 2. Next one. How many maximum number of electrons can that be accommodated in orbital? The maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in any orbital. Answer is 2. Orbitals can hold only 2 electrons. Fourth one. How many subshells are present in a principal energy shell? The subshells present in a principal energy is N. N is a principal quantum number. Next. How many spin orientation are possible for an electron in a orbital? 2 spins. One is clockwise direction, another one is anti-clockwise direction. One is plus of, second one is minus of. Plus of is clockwise direction, minus of is anti-clockwise direction. Very, very important question. Third one. In an atom, The number of electrons in M shell is equal to number of electrons in the K shell and L shell. Answer the following question. Everyone listen carefully. First K shell, next L, next M shell. The question is asked, in an atom the number of electrons is M shell is equal to the number of electrons in K shell and L shell. Now K shell, the subshell is 1s, L shell 2s 2p is equal to M shell, M 3s 3p 3d. You know, K and L shell is equal to M shell. That's why M shell is 3s 3p 3d. 3s maximum electrons, so 3s 2, 3p 6, 3d 2. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. K shell and L shell is equal to M shell. You know, according to above principle, 3d subshell enters into the after 4s subshell. Now the configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 after 3d2. Everyone listen carefully. The M shell is equal to K shell and L shell. K subshell is 1s maximum, 1s2. L 2s2, 2p2. After this one is equal to M shell. M shell contains 3s2, 3p, 3d subshells. But equal to K shell and L shell equal to M shell now. 3s2, 3p6, 3d2. Total 10 electrons. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Now above principle, what we understand? 3d orbital first enter 4s after 3d orbital. Now the configuration is 3s2, 3p6, 3d2. Now the shell configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2. First question. Which one is outermost shell? This one is K shell. This one is L shell. This one is M shell. Outermost shell is N shell. How many electrons are there in outermost shell? 3d2. How many electrons? 2 electrons. Next question. What is the atomic number of the element total? From 2 to 4, 6, 10, 12, 18, 20, 22. That's why 22 is the atomic number. Write the electronic configuration of the element. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2. Next, rainbow is an example of a continuous spectrum. Explain. You observe the rainbow. The formation of rainbow. How many colors in rainbow? 7 colors. Different colors. Vibgea, violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, red. Each color have a specified characteristic wavelengths and frequencies. The colors are continuously spread. The intensity of each color varies from one point to another one. The first one, rainbow is an spectrum of different colors with different wavelengths. These colors are continuously disturbed. There is no fixed boundary for each color. No fixed boundaries. That's why rainbow is a continuous spectrum. Next, how many elliptical orbits are added by Sommerfeld in Thoughts-Bohr's orbit? What was the purpose of adding these elliptical orbits? Already you know, Bohr's model failed to account for the splitting of line spectra. Sommerfeld modified the Bohr's atomic model by adding elliptical orbits. First of the Bohr's circular orbits, such one. One elliptical orbit is added to the Bohr's second orbit. 2 elliptical orbits are added to the Bohr's third orbit. They are asking question, how many elliptical orbits are added to Sommerfeld in Thoughts-Bohr's orbit? How many? 2 elliptical orbits. What is the purpose? In an attempt to account for the splitting of spectral lines, Sommerfeld modified the Bohr's atomic model by adding elliptical orbits. Next, what is the absorption spectrum? Absorption spectrum is, listen carefully, absorption spectrum is formed by the absorption of energy of when electrons jumps from lower energy state to higher energy state. Lower energy state to higher energy state. Lower energy state means ground state. Higher energy state means the electrons moves the next level, that is called excited state. This is called absorption spectrum. Next one, what is an orbital? How is different from Bohr's orbit? Orbit or shell? First, orbit or shell. Orbit or shell, the electrons revolves around the nucleus in a particular path is called shell. These are designated by K, L, M, N, O and so on. 3 points only you learn. Orbits. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in a particular path is called shell. In orbit, first point. Orbital, first point. The region of the space where there is the finding probability of electron is maximum. The region of space, the probability of finding electron is maximum, that is called orbital. Orbits or shells is designated by K, L, M, N and so on. Orbitals are designated by S, P, D, F and so on. Third point. Orbits or shells, the maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in any shell, formula 2n square. The maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in any orbital 2. 3 points. Next. Explain the significance of 3 quantum numbers in predict the position of an electrons in orbit. Read principal quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, magnetic quantum number. Principal quantum number. Principal quantum number was proposed by Niels Bohr. The letter denotes with N. Principal quantum number tells about size and energy of the shell. Size and energy of the shell. Principal quantum number tells about the size and energy of the shell. Now we are going to explain 3 quantum numbers. One is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number was proposed by Niels Bohr. It was denoted letter with N. It tells about the size and energy of the shell. The minimum value is 1, maximum value infinity. There is no maximum value. The maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in any shell, formula 2n square, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next, angular momentum quantum number. The angular momentum quantum number defines the shape of the subshell or shape of the orbital. Subshell means S orbital in S subshell, P orbital in P subshell, D orbital in D subshell, F orbital in F subshell. Angular momentum quantum number. Angular momentum quantum number was proposed by Sommerfeld. This one also called orbital quantum number. This one was proposed by Sommerfeld. The letter denoted with by L. This one depend upon the L value. minimum value is 0, maximum value is n minus 1. N equal to 1, L equal to 0. N equal to 2, L equal to 1. N equal to 3, L equal to 2. N equal to 4, L equal to 3. L equal to 0, yes, subshell. N equal to 2, L equal to 1, P. L equal to 2, D. L equal to 3, F. The maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in any subshell. Formula 4L plus 2. Where L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. S can be accommodated 6 electrons. P orbital can be accommodated. S orbital can be accommodated 2 electrons. P orbital can be accommodated 6 electrons. D orbital can be accommodated 10 electrons. F orbital can be accommodated 14 electrons. Next, magnetic orbital quantum number. Magnetic quantum number was proposed by Lambda. It was denoted by the letter with ml. It tells about the orientation of the orbital. Minimum value is minus L, maximum value is plus L, including 0. If n value 1, L equal to 0, magnetic quantum number, apply the formula 2L plus 1. In s orbital, any value is 0. L value 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus 1, 1 value. L value 1. Applying the formula 2 into 0, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 values. The values are minus 1, 0, plus 1. L equal to 2. To apply the formula 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 values. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 5 values. L equal to 3, 7 values. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, L equal to 0. ML value only 1, that is 0. L equal to 1. ML values 3 values. Minus 1, 0, plus 1. L value 2. ML values are 5 values. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. L equal to 3. ML values are 7. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now listen. In any orbital, how to write the 4 quantum numbers? So suppose 1s1. Write the 4 quantum numbers. This is the n value. This is the L value. Therefore, 4 quantum numbers n, L, ml, ms. N is a principal quantum number, L angular momentum, ml magnetic quantum number, ms spin quantum number. N value 1. Here S is there, L value 0. Automatically L value 0, ml value, apply the formula 2 into L plus 1. 2 into 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. That value is 0. Here 1 is plus off. 1s2 is there. 1, 0, 0. Only 1s2 means minus off. Suppose for example 2p2. Write the 4 quantum numbers. N value 2. Here P means L value 1. L value 1 means ml value, you substitute the formula 2L plus 1. That means 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 values. What are they? Minus 1, 0, plus 1. Here 2p2. 2p2 how to write? 2p2 you write the excited state 2px1, 2py1. 2p1 you write 2px1. 2p2 you write 2px1, 2py1. 2p3 you write 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. 2p4 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. 2p5 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1. 2p6 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2. Here 2p2 means 2p1 minus 1 according to Hans rule. 2p2 means 0. MS value is plus of or minus of. Suppose 2p1 ml value minus 1, 2p2 ml value 0, 2p3 ml value 1. Next 2p4 ml value minus 1, 2p5 ml value 0, 2p6 ml value 1. These are the ml values.